Hello and welcome to Lesson 1-5 using IntelliCAD provided by CAD Manufacturing Solutions. I'm Tracy, and in this lesson, we're going to practice working with selection sets. We're going to start by using the select command at our command line. And we're first going to make a selection called a crossing selection, which is when you drag your selection from right to left. And then what this does is it selects any object that either crosses it or is inside of it. And as you can see, every object that we moved our selection over is selected. It also tells us at the command line history that there are 5 entities in our selection set here. Let's go ahead and press the escape key to clear our selection. And we're going to practice drawing a window selection, which selects only the objects that are completely within the box. As you can see, only 2 of our objects were completely within the box that we drew. Now let's draw a crossing selection across a number of our objects, and you'll notice that if we use the Shift key, you can remove objects by holding that Shift key down and then clicking on that object. I want to thank you so much for learning with us. We'd like to remind you to stay up to date about our software news at IntelliCADMS.com. See you at our next training session.